Hello student, in our last class we have read water cycle. So today we will study the what are the problems caused by the heavy rainwaters and less amount of water. So let's discuss one by one. So problem caused by heavy rains are given below. The first one is heavy rains in the city areas lead to waterlogged. Waterlogged is just इकट्ठा होना पानी का बहुत ज़्यादा road and street. This disrupt the traffic on roads and cause inconvenience to the people. So the people will not able to travel from one place to another due to waterlogged roads in the street or in the road. The heavy rains may causes flood, and you know how floods come. Heavy rains lead too much rise in the level of water in river, and the river water start overflowing from its bank and spread over a large area of land causes flood. Not only the human beings but also the animals suffer from heavy rains, like the animals living in water are caused away by the fast flowing flood waters, and these water animals often get trapped on land areas, and when the flood water increases they die. So it means basically we can say most of the animals living in the water, and when the large amount of water or fast flowing amount of water gone from one place to another place, the animal which are present in the water get stuck to the land, and which causes their death. Heavy rains also kill the animals living in the soil, because such animals do not get air to breathe when all the soil get covered with the flood water. So you can see in this picture, like, peoples were not able to travel from one place to another due to waterlogged. This also shows that the animals suffer by heavy rain waters. Now come to the what happens if it does not rains for a long period of time. So if it does not rain in a region for a long time, it causes drought. When if does rain does not fall in a ground or a particular region for a long time of period, it causes drought. The lack of rains for a long period may cause drought. मतलब क्या होता है, when the large amount of or the various water does not come in the ground for that long period of time may causes drought. So let's see how what are the problems faced by the people because of drought in an area are follow as. In a drought condition, the soil does not have sufficient moisture to grow crops well. So when we can say that when the amount of water does not go in the soil get dry, and which causes the less production of crops, and drought leads to severe storage of food for the people in that region. In a drought condition, the vegetation such as grass and other fodder does not grow well and leads to shortage of fodders for the domestic animal. For example, like if I'm saying, if I'm taking the example of Rajasthan, so most of the area is drought, मतलब सूखा पड़ता है, and the animals did not get sufficient amount of grass. So that is the main causes that most of the animals not present in there. Like, so in drought condition, the vegetation such as grass and other fodders does not grow well and leads to shortage of fodders for the domestic animals. Due to shortage of food and fodder, many people living in drought affected area even migrate to other places along with their domestic animal in searching of food and fodders. Like जीने के लिए they just migrate from one place to another place because drought area में less production of crops, foods or fodders. So you can see in the picture that the soil is less fertile due to the less deficiency of water. So thank you for today. Next chapter we will discuss